I'm going to put on my Freestyle Libre right now, and then a cover, which is amazing and helps you keep the Libre 2 sensor on for so much longer. Start by washing the area that you're going, the application area, with soap and water, then let that dry, then alcohol prep, which is included in it, and then let that dry thoroughly for several minutes, I would suggest. The first thing that I do is peel off the top of this one. These are the two basic things. And I peel off the top so that you can see the inside. And that does have a little notch that you're going to get fit in between. This, just screw it up gently, kind of strongly, but gently. All right, there we go. Aha, and see, there's an accommodating female part that goes to this. See the notch and the slit. I'm gonna fit that together and snap. It's really that easy, that's it. It's now ready to go on your arm. So I'm going to pick a spot of my arm that does not get sucked up in the back and isn't too far on the side so that it gets knocked off. So I'm going to, I usually will choose like a dot or a freckle or something, and that's probably the hardest part, is choosing the spot. That's it. I just pressed it on there, it snapped, and now I'm going to remove that. Comes right off. It does kind of sting sometimes it doesn't. I do have on an old one. I keep everything because if the sensor fails like this one did, this was not too bad though. It was like 3 or 4 days early. But I'm going to remove this one. This is the cover I'm going to put on. Look how easily that comes off. These are golden. These are fantastic. I wish I had known about these at the front, at the very beginning. I'll put a link in the description. It'll be, I might get a penny if you buy these, but you'll save a lot of money because it keeps them from falling off. It keeps them from getting wet. And this, really, I should be soaking this with like MCT oil or coconut oil or something first, but I'm just gonna pull it right off. Ah, that doesn't look good. Uh-oh. Looks like maybe I had some blood come out on that one. I'm gonna keep this thing. They're gonna give me a hazmat thing. This sensor did fail. I'm gonna clean that with another. They send you 2 of these little alcohol preps. So I am moving around while the other one situates. So the other sensor is finding its... You want to do this to get off the adhesive too. See, I don't want to walk around with that. But, geez, this one looks like it bled or something. It's not, I don't know why. It did read 20 to 30 points too low most of the time. So while I love the numbers on my device, they weren't real, and I checked it, you know, and I would suggest always checking your sensor when you first get the first reading against a blood sugar machine if you can, because sometimes they're dead accurate, sometimes they read high, sometimes they read low. Generally, it'll be about the same amount each time, so that's good. Okay, we're gonna do the cover. Okay, the cover has... this one that I bought off of Amazon has a blue line. I saw a review that says there's a blue line on it. I didn't know that. No, the blue line comes off. So the blue line is actually a wonderful thing. Here's what you do. First, take the white side off. White side off. And then you can use the blue line to center. Okay, now see, it still has a cover on it. And it makes it thicker, so you can just set it right over the sensor. You put the circle over the circle, voila, it is on. And then now, the next dividing, you can kind of see that, is going to be, the blue line has a rippled kind of an edge. I'm going to leave it on here a minute though, because I don't want it to pull it off. Well, you probably could leave this on, but somebody said that they were angry because they didn't think they had to wear a blue line. Well, you don't. You don't have to wear a blue line. And you can do this by yourself. This is about my maybe 10th time doing it. I'm going to gently, I found the separator, see how it's got the, there you go. It's like waves. I'm going to very gently take it off because I want it to stay as adhesed, if that's a word, as possible. So I'm just going to roll it. Whoa, nicely done. And let's just make it warm because adhesives, like makeup, tend to adhere better when they're a little bit warm. It activates the adhesives. All right, so yeah, that was it. It is on my arm now, and I hope that helps. Have a great day. Bye.